Every year on the last Saturday of January, Namirembe Diocese holds its annual youth music, dance and drama competitions at Martyrs Church, Busega, in remembrance of the three martyrs Mako Kakumba, Yusuf Lugalama, and Noah Serwanga, who were killed in 1885 on the orders of Kabakamanga. 5 parishes from the diocese competed in various fields. According to Teferurule, the Namirembe Diocesan Youth chairperson, the competitions are designed to educate the young generation in religious teachings and to encourage them to reflect on their spiritual gifts through creative expression. They also serve as a way to honor and remember the 3 martyrs who were killed in the area.
First is to remember the good works and the boldness of the 3 youthful martyrs who were brutally murdered from this place as a result of their strong faith in Christ. So one way of instilling those values into the young generation today, when they come here, they learn more about the martyrs, the basis of the celebrations, but also we focus on empowering these young people to learn on how to use their gifts and talents to benefit their lives.
Here we've explained a few of the challenges faced while organizing this year's competitions.
We are affected by the campaign, the election period. A lot has been happening in our country in line with the elections of new leaders, and due to some unforeseen instabilities, some parishes were unable to make it because parents were fearing to send their children to churches for practice, and somehow it affected the turn-up of other parishes. But we thank God for those parishes which have God has enabled to take part in these celebrations.
The Provincial Youth and Students Ministry Coordinator, Reverend Koboi Emmanuel, served as the chief guest. In his remarks, he called for unity among the believers, especially as the church conducts elections at various levels.
We are in a season of change of leadership. Obulabirizi bungi buli mu kulonda. Abamu baamala last year. Some dioceses are still electing. And so I want to call upon us to be mature as we elect new leaders. We always say leadership comes from who? From God. And so if someone has been elected and you probably also wanted the same position, work together with the person who has been elected.
Reverend Koboi also tasked the youth to effectively utilize their useful stage to serve God.
Let us serve God when we are still young. Like our theme has been saying, let us live lives that are righteous. Let us speak in a way that glorifies God. Actually now, byemubademu acting on tugenda kubirabanga bamaze okulangirira wano. Kiki ekyo? Mubadde mubuulidde enjiri zisikiti zensanze wano nga muli kusikitinga, oba kiyita kusikitinga. Nga muli kusikitinga wano. Mumuulidde enjiri neŋŋamba bannange nina okusiina kuggwamu maanyi. Era byonna bibadde ku bwongo nga bineeraliikiriza I'm no longer worried.
Participants expressed their motivations and gains for participating in these competitions.
The competition has been awesome, and what inspired me to compete, to participate in these competitions, for real, music is my thing, and I love music a lot.
Zituyambako okwemanya kubanga nze nali simanyi nnyo gundi ndala nnyo chachi ndala nnyo ne but tandise okufuna gundi unity with other churches.
At the end of the event, Martyrs Church Katwe was declared winners and awarded with a trophy and a bull, while Kitende emerged as the second, receiving a trophy and a goat.
Mu kifo eky'olubereberye n'obubonero 455 ne mu kifo ekyokubiri n'obubonero 439 respectively Katwe Martyrs ne Kitende.
John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.